Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, soft bread rolls at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm water, and 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Make sure your yeast is fresh for the best results. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, salt, and yeast. Give it a quick whisk. Then, pour in the warm water and melted butter. Mix everything with a spoon until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's smooth, elastic, and passes the window pane test. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours. It should double in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Turn it out and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Take each piece and shape it into a smooth, round roll, tucking the edges underneath to create a nice, tight surface. Place your shaped rolls onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Cover them loosely and let them rise for a second time, for about 30 minutes. While they're rising, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. Enjoy your warm, homemade bread rolls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.